Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering the Google TV device and picking an HDMI port on your television. This matters because HDMI ARC handles audio differently. Once the device is plugged into power, connect the HDMI cable to the TV and to the Google TV dongle or box. Make sure your phone or tablet is on the same Wi-Fi network you plan to use, and note the network name and password. This saves time during setup. If your TV has multiple HDMI modes, choose the one compatible with external devices. Once you see the Google TV welcome screen, follow the on-screen prompts to pair the remote via Bluetooth. Pairing ensures the remote controls both device and TV. Next, sign into your Google account so apps and preferences sync. This step also lets you access purchased content. Make sure to select the correct Wi-Fi network and type the password carefully, case sensitive. If a system update is offered, install it now, because updates often fix bugs and improve streaming performance before you install apps. You finish by installing the streaming apps you use most and signing into each one. This gets you to content quickly. Then, configure audio output. Choose HDMI ARC, TV speakers, or an external receiver in settings, so sound matches your setup, and play a short test clip to verify. If something goes wrong, reboot the Google TV device and TV, try a different HDMI cable or port, and check Wi-Fi signal strength. If the remote won't pair, unpair and repair Bluetooth, because that often resolves control issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.